Hey everybody, thanks for watching. This is my John Deere 525E. It's a ZTrak lawnmower, of course, 0 turn. And today I'm going to show you how to change out the air filter. Air filters are important because that's what lets your engine breathe. And in this model, it's in the back of the motor, right on top. And it's really easy to access. 2 hand twisting screws that don't fall off. That's a nice design. I like that. Turn those counterclockwise until it's loose. Okay, and now we see the disaster. There it is. That's our filthy air filter. Now, I've gone way too long before replacing these. And you don't have to replace them all the time. Sometimes you can just vacuum off this sponge, which is actually torn, so we'll just get rid of this. And oh my God, is that dirty. Luckily, I have a new one on hand. But before you go ahead and replace it, we need to vacuum that out. And what I like to do when I vacuum stuff out, I want to stuff a rag in here and be very careful not to push anything into the engine there. But I'm going to go ahead, you can either blow it out with a rag in there or just use a vacuum. Alright, that's all vacuumed out. It's a lot cleaner. The new one looks like this. It has the sponge outer, and then you can see all the fins in there of the paper inner filter. And this just simply goes on this. I'll probably go get a wet rag and wipe this down a little bit. Let me do that. I'll be right back. So how often do you replace an air filter? Well, every John Deere or every mower has a schedule for its maintenance or service interval. And for this particular model, I lifted up the seat. They have the service interval here on a big decal that's coming loose. But do I see it? Air filter every 50 hours or yearly. I have about 200 hours on this machine. I think I've replaced it once before, so that's not perfect, but here we are. Every year you should change this. This, if it's a John Deere part, will cost you about $25 to $30. If it's a matching non-John Deere part, probably around $10. This simply goes on the outside like that. Might have to push it a little bit, and there it'll fit around kind of a little ridge there to be a tight fit. And now all you have to do is put the cover back on, tighten up those thumb screws, and you're done. That's it. That's how simple it is to change an air filter on a John Deere Z525E. Thanks for watching.